Welcome to MMA, your Mixed Model Academy. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a project in MMA. A project in MMA is the place where you upload your dataset, define your mixed models, and generate executable code for them. From the MMA homepage, you can create a new project by simply clicking the Let's Start button or the Create New Project button. Alternatively, navigate to the My Projects page and click the Create New Project button. This opens a page where you provide information about your project and upload your data. I'm going to create a project to analyze a repeated measures dataset from a multi-center clinical trial to compare 3 drugs for controlling hypertension. You can learn more about this dataset and its analysis in Brown and Prescott's book, Applied Mixed Models in Medicine. If you want to follow my steps in MMA, you can download the data from the Multi-Center Hypertension Trial project. When creating a project, you need to give it a name, assign a research area, and provide some keywords that summarize the main scientific and statistical themes of your project. It's also a good idea to provide a detailed description of your project, including your research question, the experimental design, and your data set. You can also provide references for your project. I'm going to name my project Multi-Center Hypertension Trial and select Pharmaceutical as the research area. In the Keywords section, I'll enter Clinical Trial and also Repeated Measures because my dataset is from a clinical trial that measured hypertension of the patients repeatedly over time. I'll also provide a description of the trial. Finally, as this data is from a third party, I need to provide a citation. Don't worry if you need to make changes to the project details. As you'll see later on, we can edit the project details at any time. The next step is to upload our data. The data can be uploaded as either a CSV or text file. However, the data must be arranged in long format. Missing data values can be specified using an asterisk, NA, NaN, or blanks. To upload your data, you can simply drag and drop the file into this area. Alternatively, click Upload File and navigate to your file. Once uploaded, you can preview the data using the preview icon. You can use the bin icon to delete the data file. Note, if any models have been created within the project, MMA will prompt you to remove the models before it will let you delete the data file. After you've uploaded your data set, the next step is to make sure the variables have been assigned to the correct type, either variate, factor, or text. The hypertension data file that I've uploaded contains 6 variables. Patient, visit, center, and treat are factors, and DPB and DPB1 are variates. The blue plus icon enables us to duplicate a variable, that is, create another copy of it. This is particularly useful for repeated measures when we want the time variable as both a factor and a variate. Now, click Save to create your MMA project. This opens a new page where we can define a linear mixed model for our data. We'll look at model creation in much more detail in the next video in this series, Creating a Model in MMA. Now that we've created a project, it will appear in our project list. At any time, we can create a new linear mixed model within this project, edit the project details, delete our project, or view the project contents. Thanks for watching. Join us for the next video in this series, Creating a Model in MMA, where we learn how to define a linear mixed model in MMA and generate executable code.